YouTube. Kayog na naman ano ba?
Happy birthday, Ma. 80th birthday. We wish diha tami mo to celebrate with you, pero sa naman, all we can do is include you in our prayers from Christy, Godfield, and Franz. So, yan po lang na may kaglawas, pirmi, and maayo imong paglihok-lihok diha. Oh, we miss you. And again, happy birthday from the whole family. Godfield,
No,
happy
say
birthday.
what you
birthday,
want.
Lola.
Say what you want to say.
Birthday, Lola. Christy,
Birthday, Ma.
Franz,
Happy birthday. I'm eating yogurt right now. Happy birthday.
Tanan din.
Need some milk.
nami gipadala diha na ni Banji bisa gamay pero kinasing-kasing na siya. Og nay litson wa kay labot ayaw kaon ana kay diba na ka ihatag na lang na sa imong mga apo. And yeah, we miss you very much, Ma. And take care always.
Damn, look.
We love you. And thank you. We're very proud of you. Best mama, best Lola in the world. And
What the?
thank you very much sa imong pag permanenteng pag tanaw namo imong mga apo. I'm very proud of you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Y'all need some milk.
Y'all need some milk.
Hello.
Hello.
It's me.
Bye bye.